Good evening. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DACX slipped back to the red zone today, losing 11.54 points or 0.17% and settled at 6,754 points. Market turnover was BDT 8.01 billion, which is a decrease of 18.37% compared to the last trading day. Walton, Beximco, GPH Ispat and BSRM Limited from the industrial sector, Stern Bank, Bank Asia, Prime Bank and Islami Bank from the banking sector, and British American Tobacco Bangladesh and Unilever Consumer Care from the food and allied sector mainly dragged the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the general insurance sector registered the highest gain of 3.48%, while the tannery sector posted the second highest gain of 1.92%. On the other hand, the cement sector registered the highest loss of 0.78%. 5 industrial companies and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. Janata Insurance, Pragati Insurance and Central Insurance registered the highest gain, while ICB, AMCL First, Ogroni Bank Mutual Fund, Bangladesh Monospil Paper and Tamij Textiles were the top losers. Investors may have exerted buying pressure on Pragati Insurance as the company is scheduled to have its board of directors meeting on the 4th of April, where its annual earnings will be disclosed. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Prabhat Insurance, SEMO Lecture Equity Management Fund and Atlas Bangladesh increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. Expecting a bumper harvest, Boro paddy acreage touched its highest ever level and reached 4.96 million hectares this season. The Department of Agriculture Extension has a target of 20.9 million tons of rice production in the current fiscal year, which is 5.55% higher than the previous year. However, higher farm input costs driven mainly by diesel and fertilizer price hike, higher irrigation cost and transportation cost, etc. are likely to push production cost up by 15% to 18% in the upcoming harvest time. This situation creates concerns among farmers as higher production cost will create uncertainty in getting expected return and may drive up prices of crops. The government is continuing to focus more on electricity generation despite the country's surplus electricity generating capabilities instead of focusing on transmission and distribution of electricity. Recently, an analysis conducted by the Planning Division showed that above 54% of fiscal year 2022's revised annual development program budget is being used up by 2 big power sector projects, while 85 others are currently underfunded. This situation has led to both project implementation delays as well as capacity payments without reaping benefits from the completed projects. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.